Is Bitcoin going back to $100,000? The question on everyone's mind right now. There's a big possibility we can see Bitcoin back to $100,000. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm really not going to lie. We can see 94.7K right now for Bitcoin. Over this last week, we've basically consolidated around the $93,000 to $95,000 region. So we're getting close. This tension is real, and we're going to break to either the upside or downside with volatility. I don't expect this to be a small pump. I expect something big to happen if we're going to get this breakout. So we can see the market sentiment is back to being neutral. Of course, this is good. If we can get back into greed and extreme greed, then of course things will be pumping more and more. But the thing is, guys, even if the markets do get back to their extreme greed, we don't know whether the actual overall valuation of blockchain, which did top out at 3.7 trillion, will return to higher levels, or actually just, be more of a relief rally. We get kind of excited, but actually it all just tumbles back down again. So it's still very difficult to say in the short term. That's why you should always be long-term setup in these particular markets, because you're immune to these corrections. For example, Joe that bought, Bitcoin down here in 2022, he's completely immune to the price today. Or Ben that bought crypto in 2019 and is still holding loads of his bag, right? He's completely immune to this downside potential, right? So he doesn't care either. He's already loaded. He got in early. And I think you still have that 5 to 10 year sort of narrative of holding, right? Now, looking at Bitcoin BLX chart, we can see we're seeing a 93.7K on this particular chart right here. Looks very similar to what we saw in February, March, April, June, July of 2024. You can see the price did indeed tumble down quite a lot in a descending, broadening wedge. And if you look at what we actually have right now for Bitcoin, it's something that looks very, very similar. We have the impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and impulse. So if we do get the impulse that we saw here, we'll be right up there. We'll be making a pump. It could be as much as 30% to the upside with the right momentum. You see the last pump was absolutely diabolical. It was huge. It was 30% up. And this one could also potentially take us 30% up, which would lead to around $120,000, which does sound kind of crazy. If we use Fibonacci extension here, you can see that brings us down to the 1.272 to be more pragmatic with our target. So we could be still looking at somewhere between $117,000 and $122,000 for Bitcoin if we move, just using these basic indicators. So yeah, really, really crazy. If this happens, we're going to see the price of Bitcoin fly. Of course, on the day, we are getting some overhead resistance at around that $95,000 region. But there's no reason why Bitcoin can't get back to 100K. We're very close. It's not alt season. It's not meme season. It's very much Bitcoin dominance season right now. And Bitcoin is the talk of the crypto town. So yeah, really, really curious to see what might happen here. By the way, massive congrats again to patrons and people in my Discord. It's completely free to join. But if you're curious, do check out my Patreon. You can see people are making incredible gains all the time, every day. Big trades, whether it's long trades, short trades, whatever it might be, we've got setups and positions for everyone to hopefully make more gains in this market. Check it out. We also have our new indicator, TradeWave, where you can find more details about this indicator just down below. Have a little look at it, do a bit of research and due diligence, of course. But yeah, so far the testimonials are great. People are enjoying it. Have a little look. What else we got in this hot market? We got Bitcoin Bull Token raised $5 million. No gloves, no breaks. As you can see here, they've got 8,000 followers here now, and they are celebrating, of course, Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin rises, Bitcoin Bull Token is doing better and better. So this could be one that is potentially a decent coin to be looking at. Bitcoin Bull Token. You can see in one day, 19 hours, the price goes up. They've raised $5.1 million over here. One Bitcoin Bull is 0.00. 02485 ERC20 meme coin here. So you can see, look, you could buy with Best Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Wallet Connect, these different tokens and wallets that you just simply convert Ethereum or Tether directly into. Bitcoin Bull Token, Bitcoin's best crypto pre-sale. So it says Bitcoin Bull Token is the unstoppable force pushing Bitcoin towards $1 million+. Buy Bitcoin Bull and earn Bitcoin as it becomes the #1 asset in the world. So of course, they've kind of tokenized and made a meme coin based around it. You can see every time Bitcoin gets to different milestones, such as when Bitcoin gets to $125,000, we will see a token burn as part of their roadmap. So lots to be excited for. 21 billion total supply. Of course, sort of mimicking the Bitcoin supply, but as billion and not million. But yeah, I think overall this could be a cool token to get into as well. If you're looking for that next 10 to 100x potential, have a little look at Bitcoin Bull token. That is linked down below for you guys. We've also got Wagyu Cash. This is going to be a Solana fair launch straight to DEX, which could easily see, in my opinion, between $5 and $20 million of volume in the first 15 minutes. Super bullish on this. For more details, check the Telegram link down below, which will take you through to Wagyu Cash. And honestly, I think it's very, very exciting right now what this could actually do. This particular token is no joke, and it is a team of people that really know how to launch a coin. Before we go, I want to say KSEX is somewhere you need to get yourself signed up to. They've got bonuses available right now for new users. KSEX, centralized exchange, no KYC, with the lowest trading fees in the crypto market. And do indeed have a little look at my Patreon as well if you really want to maximize this crypto market. If you're someone that is, you need a bit of hand holding, if you're busy or working, you've got family to look after and things, totally understandable. My Discord and Patreon, which go hand in hand, will help you become a better trader in these markets. You can become a crypto waver. You can get our indicator for $25 per month, which is Trade Wave right here. So this could be one that you really enjoy, giving you easy to follow buy and sell signals. And yeah, we've also got the Crypto Legend, which is the most popular package here, $120 per month. You can see you also get the Crypto Waver indicator for free with the Crypto Legend tier. Do check it out, have a look at it. Early alphas, next big meme coins, next pre-sales, all that juicy stuff is waiting for you down below. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you very soon and stay crypto safe. Peace.